Welcome back to another unboxing. Now, I wasn't gonna get this one, but I already have the Delta LA 2028 Special Livery, as you know. So this one just made sense. We'll see if I won or not. This is the A350 Team USA livery. Ordered it directly off of Delta's Team USA website. So, without further ado, let's see what we got. Something I have bought and have been started doing is this, which I should have been doing a long time ago. There she is. In all her glory. Now, it's very cold outside, so this did sit outside in the cold for quite some time. Antennas look good right offhand. Team USA logo. Trent 1000 XWB. Landing gear. Landing gear doors for gear up position. And the gear itself, which is kind of buried in there. Looks good. There's the stand, as always. That one's a little sideways. Nice. Little bleed valve there. This one does have the black spinner spirals in the engine. Let's see if I can turn the light on. That's good, because a lot of the new 350s don't come with that black spinner spiral. Paint's okay quality, not the greatest, but that little bleed valve is on both engines. I've never seen that on the A350 model before. That's very unique. There's her face. Beautiful wingtip. Very characteristic wingtip that the A350 is known for. Wi-Fi dome. All right. Here she is in all her glory. Still a good looking livery. Some people don't like it, but I think it looks pretty good. Bottom. The other side. All right. Let's clean it up and put the landing gear on. Here she is. Let's take a look at the gear. Good tilt. Good tilt, good detail. And the front gear. All right. Nice and straight. Both of them nice and straight. Good tilt on them too. All right. So here she is. That gear is definitely a little loose, but that's okay. There you have it. Gemini 1200 Delta A350 Team USA livery. Now, let me show you why I chose to get this one. Because of that. And these. Here's my Neo, which I love very much. Pratt & Whitney PW 1100G engines. Delta A321 with raccoon mask. This is G2DAL 753, the second release of the standard A350. I do have the new release coming as well, so we will be doing a review on that. But as you can see, some of their older models had these markings on there. Not markings, but antennas. And that is true to the real thing. As the new versions, they must have innovated in technology because they don't have it anymore. That also is accurate. But as you can see, the fan blade design on this older model is definitely different than the newer molds. This is definitely a little bit of a different mold, different engines, and different wing mold, because a lot of these older ones, these wing tips are a little bit different shape, and they don't always come straight. You actually have to straighten them out. These new ones, see how much thicker that is? These come much thicker, and you definitely don't have to straighten these ones out. But this one, much pointier. But I love them both nonetheless. The LA 2028 version is just drop dead gorgeous. Absolutely fantastic. So I thought I would add this Team USA model to the collection. Another special model up here. You all know what this is. Also the Pratt & Whitney engines, I'm pretty sure. Rare, expensive one to find these days. My A350 collection. And the United collection. Just a little bit of it. I have more United, but 787-9, the old release. I need to get the -10 as well sometime. The coveted all rare A319, which I will be riding on this airplane in a week's time. Can't wait. IAE V2500 engines. my favorite. And the 777-300. I also have the -200. I actually have 2 of those, but they are in storage at the moment. So there is the United collection. And the stand. Not the stand, but the display shelf. Hope you enjoyed. I don't know where I'm going to put this one yet, but I will definitely find a place for it. So, if you don't see it in the next clip, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.